Hi children, hope you all are doing good. Here we have A, B, C, D till Z. Today we are gonna learn more about this order. So now what do you see here? We have three different pictures over here. We have a bat, we have a cat, and we have an ant. Okay. Now what will we do? We'll see that whether this order is correct or not. C for cat, B for bat, A for ant. Is this correct? No. Yes, the pictures are correct with the letters B for bat and C for cat and A for ant. Yes. But when we are talking about alphabetical order, then this A picture will come over here. Okay. So first letter A comes back in its place. C goes there and B stays in the middle. So letter A, letter B, letter C. So now the pictures are kept in the correct order. A, B, C. A for ant, B for bat, and C for cat. See here now, I have changed the pictures for you all. So what do you see now? We have three pictures again. One starting with letter F, one starting with letter D, and one starting with letter E. Whether the order of the letters, first letter you have to see, okay? First letter order, whether it is correct? No, it's not correct. So what do? We put it in the correct order. So the first letter would be which one? D, then E, and then F. Very good. So D, E, F. So now here I have taken different set of letters wherein again the order is not correct. You know that O-M-N we never say like that. So how do we say? M-N-O. Correct? M. Okay. Now here we have to change the letter again. So we change it to N. M-N. And this one is O. Now it is correct? Yes, very good children. This is the correct order of this set of alphabets M, N, O. Now what do you see here? R, D, S. It should be R, S, T. This is the right set of letters. R, S, T. Well done children. So now here, what do we have over here? We have different letters over here. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong order. So what do? We'll put all these letters in the correct order. Correct? Hurrah! Very nice. Well done, children. So now for this, what is the correct order for this one? N-O-M. How do we write this? Yes, exactly. We have to write M, N, O. M, N, O. Very nice. Well done. Now, for this, what is the correct order? Tell me. We have to write X, Y, Z. So we write over here X, Y, Z. Wonderful children. You're doing a great job. Now, E, F, G. Wonderful. Great job. E, F, G. Very nice children. Now, for this is totally a different thing, you know. So now, what do? What is the correct order? W is in the end of the ABC, right? W. So now, M is in the mid. And F comes in the starting of ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, F. So F, and G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And then goes W in the end. So first we write F, then we write M, and then we write W. Very nice. Great going. Now what is this? C, Y, L. So first will come A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So Y comes in the end. Okay. Very nice. Now The last example for this session is TGD. Yes, I know you already know that. How do we write? D, A, B, C, D. Then goes E, F, G. So G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Great job. So 3 stars for you all. Very nice. Very good. Keep it up. Bye bye, children. Do well and stay safe. See you.